Hey y'all, it's Megan from Made for Mermaids, and today we're working on our free little felt gift tags. Like this one, I haven't put twine in this one yet. But these come in 3 different sizes, and they're really fun to make. So what you need to do is you need to cut 2 pieces in your felt, and if you want to embroider or decorate the front, then you would go ahead and draw your design. I have 3 in there. It's a snowflake, a tree, and a very simple star. If you want to use those, you can also use any stitches on your sewing machine. You could applique something on there by hand or with a machine. You could use vinyl. You could even use paint. Your kids could glue something on there or use fabric markers, whatever you like. I'm going to hand embroider mine like this one. So with your front piece, that's what you're going to do first. You're just going to put any embellishments that you like on the front. Okay, so as you can see, I went ahead and embroidered the front. I just did a really simple star, some French knots. Again, you can do this as elaborate or as simple as you want. So after you decorate the front, whenever you're through, you're just gonna place them together so it's hiding all of those stitches. And now it's time to either blanket stitch around to close it, which is what I did here, or you can use your sewing machine to stitch around it with a regular stitch or a decorative stitch if you prefer. I do have a video on both how I add embroidery and sequins, beads, whatnot to ornaments, which these are, it would be decorating it the same, and also on blanket stitching, so I'll leave that down below if you need help. I'm gonna go ahead and blanket stitch mine all the way around. For the center, you could also blanket stitch or stitch around it, or you could add a grommet, which is really easy to do. I'll show you in just a moment after I'm done blanket stitching this. And here they are all done. I just need to loop my twine or ribbon through. And these are the 3 different sizes. We have a small, medium, large, depending on what you're making. If you have any questions, you can of course leave them down below. And if you make these, we would love to see them in our Facebook group or tag us on Instagram at Made for Mermaids. And I'll see you next time. Bye.